In this video, we are going to create one more blog post with the images, right? So this time we'll be taking images also in our blog page. So for that one, again, we'll have to click on add new. And here again, you have to write the title, right? The blog title. And here you'll updating the content with images. The same I'll be doing over here. So as you can see, we have created the blog title, as well as we have updated the blog content as well, including with the images. So here in between the content we are showing images, right? And simply you can set all these images. Suppose this is coming on the right, so I'll be setting at the center. So this image is coming at the center now. After that I have to create category. So I can create a category on which category I want to keep it. For example, I want to keep it in digital marketing. Fine. So just I'll be adding the category now. So by default it has taken. Now I'll be updating the featured image. So from here I'll be selecting the image. So this is the image now, we can see. And simply just you click on set featured image. So we have also added the image now, and just will be publishing this post now. And simply we can go to the front side and we can see, so all this blog post, it will be coming with the images as well and with the featured image. So just coming to the blog post, I'll refresh this page now. Yeah, all set. So here we can see this is the image and this is the blog topic. So just I'll click on this one. So here we can see our blog content is coming with the images as well. Yeah. So like that way we can create the post, and more posts if you'll be creating, your website will be looking very good. So here more content will be keeping it, the additional things it will be showing over here.